Hey guys, so I'm here in my apartment and I thought I'd give you a little tutorial on how to trim your own bangs if you're like super desperate like I am kind of right now. So what I did, I just went ahead and kind of, if you just lean your head forward a little bit, you can kind of see where your fringe kind of section is. Normally it's like a triangle section coming from the back. Mine's super heavy because I have super heavy bangs and I've got these flaps. But you can just kind of like shake your head and see where it is, like where you pull your longer hair back. And then I'm just going to go ahead and tie this back so it stays out of my way. And then I'm going to go ahead and like hopefully you'll have like a clip or something, or a friend of yours can hold the sections back. I kind of just go straight across. Just kind of get like this small amount of hair to start a guide with. Kind of just look at my grays. We all need our hair colored. Okay, let's start like this. Don't worry about the flaps kind of later. The first thing I want to do is just have this like kind of ready to go, and like you don't want to like put your chin down and then cut your bangs. When it goes up, it'll be super short. So try to just like keep your head kind of straight. Just gonna go ahead and do the initial. This is my initial guide. After this, you can kind of point cut into it. I know I'm a pro, but you can kind of get scissors from Dwayne Reed. You don't want to use like kitchen shears. And then I'm going back from the center to the other side. Maybe come up this way. Obviously you'd be doing this in a mirror, not a video. Pretty good. Take down another section, not too thick, so you can see the line. I can barely see it, so I'm going to make it a little smaller. Hair is going to get on your face, so maybe have like a little towel handy. Cut into it a little bit. Soften it. It's good to start in the center out and then from the outer side back up. Watch those eyebrows. And then sometimes if it's like a little heavy, you just like kind of pick it up through the comb and kind of point cut into it a little bit. You may find yourself living in a shotgun shack. And you may find yourself in another place. It always gets heavy here on these sides. That's where I kind of do that. It's much easier to do in a mirror. Oh, look at my guys! So kind of like comb it down. Like sometimes I like to shake my head to see how it's falling. Now you can kind of take a look and assess it. See some more bits falling down. Just kind of trim those. As far as flaps, this is advanced. Just kind of clean those up a little bit. I might do some more work on those actually in front of a mirror. Or as soon as I see Anna. And that's it. Is it? You know, it's good to start longer, and then if you want to go shorter, you can just do that same pattern over again. Well, miss you guys.